Hello, my name is Jaden Mooney.
Hi, my name is Ryan.
We're going to be making a video about carbon monoxide poisoning. First, we're going to start with the overview.
Carbon monoxide poisoning occurs when carbon monoxide builds up in your bloodstream. This can lead to serious tissue damage or even death. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas produced by burning gasoline, wood, propane, and charcoal.
Carbon monoxide poisoning caused by inhaling combustion fumes when too much carbon monoxide is in the air. You're breathing. Your body replaces the oxygen on your red blood cells with carbon monoxide.
Signs and symptoms include dull headaches, weakness, dizziness, shortness of breath, nausea and vomiting, confusion, blurred vision, and loss of consciousness.
And now we're going to show you an example of carbon monoxide poisoning.
Hey Jaden, you ready to go?
Yeah. Wait, do you have 20 bucks? What are they doing?
Yeah? They're right here. Do you feel dizzy?
Oh yeah, I feel sleepy.
Where are we?
We can probably take a nap. And that was an example of carbon monoxide poisoning. Monoxide can be particularly dangerous to intoxicated or unsleeping people. It may cause irreversible brain damage and even cause death. When to see a doctor. It is life-threatening medically emergency. If you think you or someone you're with is experiencing carbon monoxide poisoning, get into fresh air and seek medical attention. Preventions. Simple precautions can help prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. Installing carbon monoxide detectors. Open garage doors before turning on your car. Use gas appliances as recommended. Keep your burning appliances and engines properly ventilated. If you have a fireplace, keep it in good repair. Keep vents and chimneys unblocked while remodeling. Make repairs at the site of incident. And use caution when working with solvents in enclosed areas. As well as other precautions, whenever you or someone in your household is pregnant, fetal death can occur and miscarriages can occur. Thank you for watching our video. That concludes our carbon monoxide poisoning educational video.
I hope you enjoyed.
And hopefully that you can use this video as a kind of a reference for whenever you're doing your household activities, and maybe to buy a carbon monoxide detector for your home if you do not have one already. Thank you for watching.